In this lecture on Nazi Germany, we explore the internal tensions within Germany during the First World War. Despite being Europe's most powerful nation, Germany was politically and socially divided. When war broke out in 1914, however, it was met with widespread enthusiasm, leading to spontaneous mobilization and patriotic propaganda. Kaiser Wilhelm II called for a so-called Burgfrieden, or political truce, to unite Germans against external enemies, and the war was initially seen as a solution to the country's internal divisions. Yet hopes for a quick victory were soon shattered. The failure of the Schlieffen Plan, followed by the brutal trench warfare on the Western Front, led to deadly battles like Verdun and the Somme. New military technologies, including machine guns and poison gas, further intensified the horrors of war, which dragged on much longer than anticipated. On the home front, Germany's economy crumbled under the war's demands. Generals Paul von Hindenburg and Erich Ludendorff assumed much of the decision-making, sidelining civilian leadership. Their policy of Kriegssozialismus, or war socialism, prioritized military production over civilian needs, resulting in severe food shortages and widespread hunger. This sparked unrest and strikes among the population. Propaganda was crucial in maintaining public morale, offering a sanitized version of the front lines while demonizing the enemy. However, the grim reality of war and rising death tolls became impossible to hide. By 1917, with Russia's exit from the war, there was a brief surge of hope for Germany's military prospects. However, the entry of the United States on the Allied side dashed any remaining chances of victory. As the war ended, the seeds of future conflicts were sown. The Dolchstosslegende, or stab-in-the-back myth, blamed minority groups, particularly Jews, for Germany's defeat, fueling dangerous nationalist and anti-Semitic sentiments that would later be exploited by Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party. In our next lecture, we'll explore the turbulent years of the Weimar Republic. Remember to subscribe for deeper insights into the rise and fall of Nazi Germany.